Hey everyone, let's jump into Procore Explore and explore one of the new betas out, project level direct cost tool modernization. This is something I saw at Groundbreak. I want to see what actually came out, how it behaves in the real world, and see what we got. I don't think it's going to have all of that, everything that they talked about, the whole direct cost management tool that they talked about at Groundbreak, but it's going to have some new things for us. So first, before we jump in, I always like to look at what it looks like before I change over. So here's my direct cost summary by cost code. Got a couple filters here, ability to export and create new. When I get into filter here, it's kind of basic, kind of the old change order look that we have, original feel with the sidebar here. If I edit this, have a couple drop downs, have my attachments, approved status, things like that with the line items down below. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. Summary, one quirk about the summary by cost code here is you got this little hidden text there. If you never knew that, sometimes that level 1 cost code just disappears. So now let's go ahead and enable it and see what we got. So we're going to go back to Procore Explore. Remember, company tools, admin, Procore Explore. Select your tool, go ahead and join it. Options here, you can apply it for a specific project or you can just jump right in and apply it to the entire company. So let's go ahead and save and join that. Give it a second to refresh and then go back into our direct cost and let's see what we got. So yeah, looks more like our modern interface. We have our filters that pop up here on the left. You can filter, same filters you had before, but you can filter by type and date. You can drag and drop columns. You got your edit and view here like you do on other things. You can delete, you can get your downloads and see if there's attachment. You can configure, turn it on and off columns. That's great. If we go to create, we can create a new item here. Yep, you got your types there. That makes sense. Dates. One comment, maybe nitpicking here, might be that this should be a little bit more condensed so I don't have to scroll down so much to my budget lines. But we can do budget codes. Yep, that works just great. And then save. Yeah, and then when you have it open here like this before you edit, you can go in there and look at it like that. So that makes sense. A little bit spread out. And then let's group by cost code. So that looks good. Yep. Overall, pretty good improvement. Some things that I might do is to continue building this out, I'd probably have some more advanced grouping here. I think that you could actually get rid of summary and summary by cost code, make these into one tab, maybe even get rid of the tabs entirely. If you just had a grouping here that I could group by cost code, group by vendor, group by type, and just really change my grouping. Adding to that, probably grouping by, or not grouping, but creating saved views for the company. I know they're looking at that in the estimating tool. That would probably be helpful. A little bit more density overall. Some of these have those density filters there. That would be great for both the list view and also when you create. The create is not very data rich. You could even, if you wanted to, I know some of them are doing the little pop out on the side. That's pretty nice for when you're just going through and creating a bunch of entries. But overall, great improvement. So if I go back here, I would go ahead and recommend that you join this program, apply it, jump right in, nothing hurt. Go ahead and join. I'm not going to leave this one. I'm going to leave it activated for my entire company. So thanks for watching. If you have any other ones, any other things you wanted me to check out, let me know.